Okay, real quick, I'll show you how to run the regression. I had a couple people who were having some problems. First thing you do is you're going to open up, put your data set in, okay? And then you're going to go data analysis, okay? And we're going to go to regression. Okay, you see it's right there. Double click on it. Now, this is where some people have been having some problems. Input I range, that's not a number. You're going to input this Y range here, okay? And then you're going to input the X range. So this is my X variable here. So I'm going to go down here. Now you do not do 16 and 17 on this data set because there is no Y variable for that. These are predictions. We're going to predict those values. Okay, so then we go back here. We want a 95% confidence level. We're going to have labels. Okay. Output range. Click on here. Oops. We want a new worksheet, so we're just going to leave it here. Okay. And then we want residuals, standard residuals, residual plots, line fit plots, and normal probability plots. We're going to click on all of those. Then you hit OK. Now that's going to print out on another sheet. And then this is your regression model. You can see we've got a multiple F, an R squared here, adjusted R squared. If you have problems, you can open that up and you can see everything. That's one of the problems here is that if you don't open that up, you won't know what that is. The standard error, observations. Here's our regression model. The sum of squared errors for the regression, for the residual, right? That's SS X XY. That's SS SSE. Okay, and then there's our total. Okay, we got our F, our significance F. And then down here is important. These are our coefficients. So that's our x-intercept. So if we're going to write this equation out, what is the regression equation? We're going to say y hat is equal to, and I'll put that in parentheses, y hat is equal to 83.84436. That is my intercept, or my beta naught, plus, and then the beta 1 is right here. And that's going to be undo. Oops. I want to do that down here. Okay. I didn't erase it. Okay. Plus 0.328924 times x. Okay. And that's our regression equation. Okay. Now, if we want to predict the values of, say, y hat, we're going to put x in here. So I'll go back. I'm going to copy this equation here, just that part. I'm going to go back here to the first page that I did, and I'm going to put that equation in here. I'm going to put plus, and then I'm going to hit Control V, and then instead of that x there, I'm going to put 7,000. Okay. That was a 7,000 square foot home. Okay. Oops. I've got an equal, so that needs to be a plus. There we go. Okay, and there's their predicted regression value for that home. Then I'm going to do the same thing down here. Okay, I'm going to get rid of that x. I'm going to put in there. And for that, I'm going to put 5,001. Okay. I think I got an extra space in there. Okay, so here's the predicted value for this 5,001 foot square house. And we're going to compare that to number 12, where it's $18,078, and that's what you're going to do later on in the project. Okay, but this is just a brief description on how to do the regression for your project. I'll put some more videos out later. Thank you very much. Have a great day.